Okay, so yesterday we have done this part, like we have inserted the record, and after that we have selected this thing and we are getting the below result. Okay, now today what we are going to see, how to update the data if we want, and how to delete the data, and how we can take the backup. Okay, so update, delete, drop, truncate, it's very risky command. Okay, so be careful while dealing with this command. Okay, so if you are new, then you have to take a backup while running this command. Okay, so let me show you how to do the backup. Very first, you have to select star into backup your table name. Okay, generally I follow this method. Okay, then after that you have to provide the date when you are taking the backup. Okay, so let's say 03/06 March 22. Okay, now run this. Okay, so now I have the backup. Okay, so in similar copy of this particular table, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, just click over here and run this fourth table. See, similar thing. So we have took the backup. Now I'm going to play with the update and delete command. Okay, so let me show you how to update the record. Update table name. Okay, let's say instead of this 95 marks, I want to put 80 for Sachin. So how I can do that? Update table name, set marks equals to 80, where student ID equal to 1. Okay, for this person I have to change the mark. So let's run it. See, one row affected. If you want to see the result, just run the code. See, 80. Okay, now next, let's say I want to change this mark to the 95. Okay, for second record, and instead of chemistry I want CHE. Okay, so two columns I have to update it. So let's copy this code one more time. Okay, and as we discussed, whatever code we have to run, we have to select that particular code only, or else comment out other codes. Okay, both option available. So let's run this code now. Marks equals to 95 as we discussed. Okay, comma. Also I have to change the subject name. Subject equals to CHE. As we discussed, whenever it comes string, we have to put in a single quotation. And for student ID 2. Okay, so let's run it. And now let's run our select statement to see the result, whether it's updated or not. See, it's updated. Okay, so that is our update command, where you can do this single column update or multiple column update as well by putting the comma separate. Okay, now next we have delete command. Okay, so let's say I want to delete one record, delete from this table where ID, student ID equals to 1. Okay, so it will delete one record and we get only one record in our table at the end. Okay, so let's run select command one more time to check the result. See, it's deleted. If I want to delete whole table, so I can go with this. Means all records I'm going to delete from this statement. Okay, so let's delete. Now I don't have a single record in my table. See, now next what? If we want to bring data back, then we have the backup. Okay, so don't worry. If we have backup, then don't worry at all. Okay, so let me put that. Now what we have done over here, this command we have used. Now we have to use similar command but in a reverse order. Okay, and you have to be remember, now this table is already exit. So is already exist, then you have to go with the command insert into this table. Okay, student table, which is already present from this table. Select star from your backup. Okay, once you've done that, then you have to just execute it. Okay, and now run this code again. See, so again we are on the same page. Okay, so this is what where we can utilize update, delete, and backup. Thanks, guys.